Buy Nothing Day started in 1993 and is now an international event that takes place in more than 55 countries. It is a simple idea to challenge consumer culture and ask people to stop shopping for 24 hours. Buy Nothing Day encourages people to think about what they buy and the possible effects the product may have on the environment and developing countries. For example, if you buy a new pair of trainers, do you know where they were made and if the people who made them are treated well by the company? According to the organizers of Buy Nothing Day, shopping itself isn't harmful, but what we buy can be. They want consumers to think more about what they buy and to ask themselves some questions before buying anything new. Each year, Buy Nothing Day is at the end of November. There are some events in town centers to celebrate the event and to encourage shoppers to have a day off and buy absolutely nothing.